Both men enter this match with tidal waves of momentum, which set them on a collision course for this very moment. It's all or nothing, and these two men wouldn't have it any other way.
They say everything is bigger in Texas, and it doesn't get much bigger than this.
Look at Mojo Rawley here. So what are your thoughts right now on Mojo Rawley? So what can these WWE fans expect out of him tonight?
You can take your tag team and your fatal four-ways. Give me some one-on-one WWE action every single time.
Hey, if this match continues at the pace we've seen so far, we are in for a memorable night.
Here we go, back inside the ring. Quick pin attempt here. And Mojo Rawley with a quick kick out.
Still seems a little early.
He's starting to stumble here. With these two guys, we all knew this was going to be an all-out battle.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Cole. This is just a little bump in the road for him here. Nothing to worry about.
This one could very easily go either way at this point, guys. But win or lose, he's the type of guy that will be proud of his performance regardless.
He misses there.
You just can't miss by that much, Cole.
And the knee delivers.
Using his knee now.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Rawley's got a lot of mojo right now.
Here it comes. He's got him.
What impact! The damage has been done. This is Mojo Rawley's chance.
It's all academic from here.
He needs to capitalize on it now.
And he goes for the pin.
And he kicks out.
Nice kick out.
Look at this. Referee goes down hard.
What a whim.
Whoops, not even close.
What was he thinking?
This could end it in a hurry. I'll be shocked if that's not it.
Nobody does it quite like him.
Mojo Rawley looks to be in some pretty bad trouble here. How can he get out of this mess? I'd say he's starting to feel the pressure a bit.
If he wants to win this thing, he's going to need to make some changes here. There's no way he can stay in this match if he doesn't find a way to fend off this attack.
A move like that is completely unnecessary, unless you want to degrade your opposition, of course.
Oh, and it's a reversal. Saw that one coming.
Can he do it here?
Kicks out in the nick of time.
Wow, what a display of heart and determination.
He's too quick for him there.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy. On a terrific reversal by Mojo Rawley. Mojo Rawley showing us how to get it done.
He's feeling good about himself, that's for sure.
Mojo Rawley has him right where he wants him.
What impact!
This one's over, guys.
The inverted DDT connects.
Going for broke. Warm up the buses. This one's over.
This is his opportunity to win this.
Will this be it? 1, 2.
This singles contest has a victor.